Lubog ka pa rin ba sa utang ngayon? Feeling mo wala ng pag-asa, wala ka ng idea paano malampasan ang sitwasyon na to? Don't worry, you're not the first person to feel this way. And there is a way to get out of debt. In 2 Kings 4, a widow's husband died at nag-iwan siya ng malaking utang sa pamilya niya. Creditors were coming at dahil wala siyang pambayad, her sons were about to be taken as payment. Saklap, di ba? Hinaharas ka na ba ng mga collector sa phone or text? May sulat ka na sa lawyers? This was financial devastation. So she cried out to the prophet, and the first question the prophet asked was not, "Why are you in debt?" but, "What do you have in your house?" Her answer? Nothing except a small jar of oil. Wala kang pambayad ngayon, pero ano ang meron ka ngayon? That's where God starts. Not with what you lack, but with what little you have. You may say, "I have nothing," but you have skills, time, ideas, opportunities, connections. God begins with what little you have right now. If you're in debt today, this is not the end. God will start with what you have. Place it in God's hands and see the miracle happen. Believe in Jesus, my friend. He sees your crisis and has a plan. Comment this, "Lord, ikaw nang bahala. I will be debt-free in Jesus' name." Blessed to be a blessing.